How to change the Adsense account you have linked to your YouTube account. This is a super quick tutorial. So first off, go into your YouTube channel and click on YouTube Studio. On the left hand side, scroll down to monetization. On the right hand side, scroll down so you see YouTube Partner Program options. And there you will see Adsense account and hopefully it says active. This is where you would like to link the new Adsense account to which one you would like to link your current YouTube account. So at the bottom you see the button or the text where it says change. Click that text. Now you need to verify that it's your YouTube account, so you have to log into this YouTube account one more time. Click proceed. After you have logged in and verified that it's you, it says you will be redirected to Adsense to complete this step. After you read the information, click continue, and you now have to log into the new Adsense account that you would like to link the YouTube account to. After you've logged in, you're going to see all this information, and at the bottom it's going to say your website. This is where the system automatically have filled out the URL of your YouTube account. So if you would like to double check this, you can just go back to your YouTube channel. On the left hand side, click on customization. On the right side, click on the tab basic information. Scroll down to where it says channel URL. This is the URL that the system now should automatically have filled out in the Adsense screen. When you have verified that it's correct, click at the bottom left where it says accept association. And after a little while, you're getting redirected into your Adsense account, and now it says redirecting you to your host. And now you're going to be redirected back into your YouTube account. If you are not being redirected automatically, click the redirect button. And when you scroll down, you're going to see that the information is going to be changed in just a second from the old Adsense account to the new Adsense account. And you can also verify that it's actually changed right now because you're going to see the date and time when this association was updated. So this is how easy you link your YouTube account to a new Adsense account.